You guys asked me to show you how to promote Jvzoo products for free, and today I'm going to show you how to find products, how to research topic, how to find right keywords, and not one, not two, but 3 free traffic sources that you can use to promote Jvzoo products. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below and I will try to answer on all of your questions. With that being said, let me charge up in my computer and we are going to start. So first thing we need to do, we need to find products to promote. And by the way, you can use this method not just to promote Jvzoo products, you can also use it to promote ClickBank products, Digital24 products, Warrior Plus products, your website, your blog, or whatever you want. But for this example, I'm going to promote Jvzoo products. So I'm here on Jvzoo Marketplace, and here you can see they are already suggesting you some products that you can promote. As you can see, this product costs $37. This already made 361 sales. It has only 3 stars, but this is a new product. And when you scroll here, you can see you can load more products, and here you can see top categories: e-commerce, business, health and fitness, self-improvement, and software. So these are top categories. And here you can see what is hot. And again, here you can see price of the product, here you can see number of sales, and here you can see rating of this product. 16 rating, and on average they got 3 stars. And to find products, actually to search products, what you can do is you can simply click here on this magnifying glass, and the Jvzoo marketplace will give you all the products that are currently available on their marketplace. And here on the left side you can sort it by top sellers, what is hot, product review, or all products. We are currently on all products. Here you can see categories, business and finance category, and here you can see subcategories: cooking and food, and subcategories: education, employment, entertainment, and so on and so on. And because we are talking about making money online, that is internet marketing and e-commerce, and we are talking actually about promoting Jvzoo products, I am going to click here on affiliate marketing, because that is what this is. It is affiliate marketing. And here you can see all the products in this category. And what you need to do, you need to actually go and check these products. You need to find good products that you can promote. Okay, VP Chess website. This is actually WordPress chess website. I know that chess is huge. Many people are making lots of money with chess. So this is actually a good topic. So I'm actually going to research this topic right now. So I will go on Google Trends, and here in search bar I will just type chess and click search. Give it a few seconds. I am actually going to change this on worldwide. Click here worldwide, past 12 months. And as we can see here, from October 18 there is a increase in popularity, and in past months there is actually a stable trend for chess worldwide. And here we can see top regions, top countries where chess is currently most popular. Here we can see related topics that can actually give us additional keywords, additional niches and sub-niches that we can actually target and reach more people and make even more sales. Here we can see related search terms. So what we need to do now is we actually need to research these keywords, to find the right keywords, to see competition and how many people actually search these keywords. So here in Ahref free keyword generator, I am going to type chess and click search, confirm I'm not robot. By the way, I am using a free generator because I know that many of you don't have money to pay $100 per month. But if you do, then I suggest to actually use paid version of Ahref, because in that way you will get even more data, and this will be actually much easier for you to do a research, because you can do research on one place. Like I said, you can get even more data, you can find even more keywords with less competition, and so on and so on. So when I scroll here, and as you can see, keyword difficulty for chess is 82. 768,000 people search this term every month in United States. So it is really hard to rank for this keyword for chess. But look at this, chess board. Keyword difficulty is only 12, and 98,000 people is actually searching this every month. So it is really easy to rank for this keyword. So I will just copy this keyword, copy, Control C, and I will actually go on Uber Suggest, and I will paste chessboard and click search on Uber Suggest to get even more data to actually find out how strong my competition is. And as you can see, data is different. 135,000 people search this in United States. According to Uber Suggest, SEO difficulty is 64, which is significantly higher. And here we can see average web page rank on top 10 has 49 backlinks and domain authority of 64, which means it's actually not that easy to rank, but it is possible to rank on first page on Google. And when we scroll here we can actually see suggested keywords, and here we can see search volume, and here we can see SEO difficulty. And look at this, chessboard setup, 74,000 searches per month in United States alone, and SEO difficulty is only 34. So let me just go back on Ahref keyword tool to check it out, and I will add here board and setup, and click search, confirm I'm not robot, give it a few seconds to find data, and when I scroll here, look at this, they are saying that keyword difficulty is only 6 and 36,000 people is searching this every month in United States. So both of these tools are actually confirming that there is a high search volume for this keyword here, chessboard setup, and that actually it is possible to rank for this keyword. So I will go back on Uber Suggest, and I'm going to click here on chessboard setup just to check out this keyword, to check out how difficult it is to rank for this keyword. So I searched chessboard setup, and when I scroll here I see 74,000 searches. We know that 34 is SEO difficulty, and look at this. The average web page that ranks in top 10 has one backlink and domain authority of 35, which means it's extremely easy to actually rank on first page on Google for this term, for chessboard setup. So we can easily rank on first page on Google, and we can get 74,000 people from United States alone to visit our blog, website, or wherever we published our article. So now we need to write a high quality and informative article, and that is really important. That article must be really informative because we need to provide value. If you don't know anything about chess, you can simply go on Google, and here in search bar just type chessboard setup and click search. And what you need to do, you need to go through all of these articles, and you need to read them, and you need to rewrite one of these articles. Let's say this one here, for example. And you should go through this article. As you can see, this is really informative article, really good article. As you can see, lots of information, lots of data, so really good article. You can actually rewrite this article by yourself by using Spinbot and Grammarly, or you can simply go on iWriter and pay someone to write your article. As you can see here, they actually have 4 groups of people: standard, premium, elite, and elite plus writers. And for example, I like to use elite writers. As you can see, for 1,000 words you will pay only $20, and that article will write by elite writer, which means that article is usually really good. And for 1,500 words I will pay just $31, and I strongly suggest to use iWriter because, like I said, for just a little money you will get a high quality article. We need this article, we need to publish this article somewhere, because many of these big companies like Facebook, like Google, Twitter, Pinterest, and so on, they do not allow promotion of affiliate links. So you need to publish that article on your blog, on your website, but I would actually recommend to publish that article on medium.com. Why on Medium? Because Medium has a huge authority on Google, 94. And when we go back on Uber Suggest, we will see here that average web page that rank on top 10 has one backlink and domain authority of 35, and like I said, Medium has authority, domain authority of 94, which means if you publish article on Medium and you build 2, 3, 5 quality backlinks, your article about chessboard setup will rank on first page on Google and most likely will rank on first position on Google, and Google will start sending you free traffic to your Medium article. And of course, in your Medium article, you will include your Jvzoo affiliate link to your Jvzoo product. And every time someone click on that link and buy that product, you will earn a commission. And this is a passive income because as long as that article is ranking on first page on Google, that article will get traffic and you will get sales and you will make totally passive income in next few months, maybe even a few years. So this is the first free traffic source and the best traffic source. Next free traffic source that you can use to promote Jvzoo products, and not just Jvzoo products but any products, is Reddit. For those of you who don't know, Reddit is the biggest message board on the internet with more than 1.5 billion visits every month. And Reddit is made from subreddits. Subreddits are basically a small forums, and there are subreddits in any possible topic. And to find the subreddits in your niche, here in search bar I will just type chess in this case. Chess, okay, and Reddit is already suggesting some subreddits. As you can see, 365 members, 365,000 members, 71,000 members, 15, 12, 3,000. So I will just stick with chess. Click search, and then I'm going to click here on view more to see all the chess related subreddits. As you can see, these are all chess related subreddits. So I will actually click on this first one called chess. Click on it. And here you can see that this subreddit has 365,000 members and there is currently 3,200 people on this subreddit here. Now this is really important. Every subreddit has its own rules. You must read the rules before you make post, because if you don't read the rules, your post will be deleted and you will be marked as spammer. So read the rules for each subreddit before you make a post. Now to make post, scroll here, and in this case, now not all subreddits, some subreddits has a option for direct link, like this one here. So I will click here on this little chain, and here I can actually add direct link to my Medium article. So here you will paste your URL to your Medium article, give it a few seconds, and as you can see, Reddit pulled automatically title of that article. As you can see here, 70 free chess lessons by Nathaniel Master. And here you can choose flares, and here click post, and you will share your Medium article in this subreddit. And let me just go back here. And your goal is to come in hot section in every subreddit. And that is why you need to write a high quality and informative article, because if you have a quality article, then people will click on it, read it, and then they will actually give you upvote. And if you get enough upvotes, you will come in hot section. And as you can see here, there is currently 3,000 people in this subreddit. And from this subreddit alone, if you come in hot section, you can actually get 5 to 10,000 visits totally free in next 7 days. And you should share your Medium article in all the chess related subreddits in this case. And in that way, you can possibly get thousands and thousands of free visits to your Medium article. Next free traffic source that you can use to promote your Jvzoo products is Quora. Quora is a question and answer website, and Quora is getting 550 million visits every month. So people, when they have questions, they come here on Quora and they ask a question, and some other people, they answer on their questions. And that is exactly what we are going to do. First, we are going to search for the question that is related to our article, to our main topic. So here in search bar, I will just type chessboard setup and click here on search to see questions that are related to chessboard setup. As you can see here, how do you set up a chessboard? What is the most advantageous chess 960 board setup for white? How do you set up Chinese setup board? Now this here, chess 960 is actually another sub niche of chess, so you should actually research this term here, this keyword here also. And as you can see, there is lots of questions related to chessboard setup. And you can answer not just on chessboard setup, you can also answer on the questions that are related in general for chess. Just click here on, let's say on this first question here, click on it just to open it. And here you can see 6 people is following this question and 15 people actually answered on this question. Let me just click here on more to see entire answer. As you can see, 3,700 people viewed this answer and there is 3 upvotes. So if you write a better answer on this question, you will rank as a first answer and you will get even more traffic. And to answer on question, just click here on answer. And you can simply go on your Medium article and you can simply copy your article. Just copy, go back on Quora and paste it here. And on the bottom, you can actually add, just scroll here, press enter, and you can add something like this, source. And just go back on your Medium article, copy your URL of your Medium article, paste it here. As you can see, they automatically added link to your Medium article, as you can see here. And just click here on post and you will add link and you will add answer to this question. Let me just scroll to see another. As you can see here, okay, this is a link, a clickable link. And people can actually click on it and visit your Medium article. And you should answer on all of these chess related questions and link back to your Medium article. And we saw that some of these questions are actually getting thousands and thousands of views. And if you have top answer on that question, 10 to 20% of people who view that question, who view those answers, will actually click on that link and visit your Medium article. And if that question, for example, got, let's say, 20,000 views, you will get 2 to 4,000 people who will visit your Medium article. And like I said, you should answer on as much as you can chess related questions in this case, and you will get thousands, possibly thousands and thousands of visits totally free to your Medium article where you are promoting your Jvzoo products. So this is how you promote Jvzoo products for free. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.